Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Miranda Rae inspired edit. So here, like between the before and after, I'm just going to split the video. Then I'm going to go to transitions, video transitions, and go to like the one that you want. Basically you can choose any, but I like the flashes one the best. I'm just going to add it. You can also adjust the duration by clicking on the video transition here or sliding it to the right or left. And I liked it before. And then after that I'm going to go to effects, go to body effects, and I'm going to try to find one to put. I usually add in the lightning one, like this one. So I'm just going to add it on top of the video. Here you can change the color by sliding it, and you can also adjust the filter and the strength and the speed as well. Like this one's the pink one, so I'm just going to add that on. You can add in more effects like this one. But that's basically it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!